At OnePlus, we never stop pursuing the most advanced smartphone technology. We continually look for ways to offer more choices to our consumers in order to satisfy the ever-growing needs of our ever-expanding community. And we are committed. We are committed to providing you with premium products and experiences. And that's why today we are excited. No, scrap that. We are super excited to be able to launch one more device which will help us push this envelope even further, the OnePlus 7. It is the perfect device if you love the design and feel of OnePlus 6T. A OnePlus 7 packs the best technology that we have ever developed. And you could say that this device represents our adventurous spirit. As our mission is always to share the best technology with the world, we would like more of our users to get their hands on our products and experience this technology at all levels. So this is the OnePlus 7. Just listening to this upbeat music makes me get the chills, and I don't even have my Bullets Wireless 2 on me yet. Strange. Anyway, aside from the gorgeous mirror gray variant, we are also introducing our brand new red color variant on OnePlus 7. From the lava red on OnePlus 5T to OnePlus 6 red, red has become our iconic color. And just like the red in our logo, red is the color of passion, red is the color of action, and red is the color of energy. And we'd like to continue spreading this passionate spirit that red represents to even more of our users. And hopefully, this color will become favorite for many of you this summer. As one of our carefully crafted devices, OnePlus 7 has also inherited OnePlus performance DNA. It packs Snapdragon 855, it has RAM boost, and it has 20 watts fast charge. So whether it's the performance speed, whether it's the app opening, or just simply fast charging, you will be a step ahead of others every single time. Now, what about the speakers? Imagine a different scenario. You're sitting at your home on your sofa holding a phone in front of you, blocking your speaker. The sound is muffled because, as we all know, the most comfortable side to hold the phone on is always the one on which the speakers are located. Not a problem anymore, because with dual stereo speakers on OnePlus 7, now you can really Netflix and chill, because even if you block one of your speakers, even if the sound is muffled from one of them, you still have one speaker left from which the sound will flow freely. And if that's not good enough for you, well, we pack dual Dolby Atmos inside OnePlus 7. And I could tell you, with that, sound wraps around you perfectly, whether you're listening to music or watching movies. And best of all, you don't have to wiggle anymore around your phone just to find that sweet spot where the sound is completely immersive. Now that sweet spot is always wherever you are. You would think that with a different phone variant, you would get a different primary camera, right? Well, think again, because OnePlus 7 camera packs the same 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor that we packed on OnePlus 7 Pro camera. And we have seen how beautiful photos turned out with that camera. So I will not speak how beautiful photos can be on OnePlus 7, I'll just show them to you. The saturation is just perfect. And the contrasts are absolutely beautiful. So let's do a quick recap. OnePlus 7 packs the latest and most powerful chipset, Snapdragon 855. It also houses 48 megapixel primary sensor IMX586, which will allow you to take the most wonderful photos. And the best of all, with your dual Dolby Atmos speakers, your sweet spot is now wherever you are. So I hope you'll love OnePlus 7. I know we do. And now please welcome back to stage Carl.
Thank you. So how do you guys like the OnePlus 7? Here at OnePlus, we put consumers at the center of everything we do. And there's another company that shares that same philosophy. And perhaps that's why we've been able to have such a fruitful partnership here in India ever since we entered. They played a major role in the success of OnePlus.